In this video, we want to take a look at the radar products that are available on the Mesonet.org website. So we'll go to Mesonet.org, and there's a new product right on the front page. It is under the radar button. We can click on that. We can see that there's a storm that's moving through Oklahoma City right now and extending out towards Altus. So we want to take a look at that in more detail. We'll go up and click on the Weather tab and then scroll down through the left menu until we get down to Local Radar. Clicking on that menu button takes us to a thumbnail of 15 different radars that we have available to us that are either in or around Oklahoma. Oklahoma actually has 4 of the National Weather Service NEXRAD radars within the state. Since we're concerned about that Oklahoma City storm, I'm going to go click on the Oklahoma City radar. I'm then going to scroll down and make sure that I get the controls and the scale visible in our window. One of the features of the new radars is that it uses the new National Weather Service Enhanced Radar, and this includes both a combination of the old clear air mode and precipitation mode radars into one product. So at the bottom of the reflectance scale, we'll see those low numbers that used to only be in the clear air mode, and as we go up, it goes way up to the top of the precipitation radar mode scale. On the right side of our color scale, we have a listing of the types of hail or rain that we would likely see at the different reflectance values. One of the other features that we have here is a zoom feature, and we can zoom in by hitting the plus arrow. We can zoom out by hitting the minus arrow. If I zoom in and then I want to move the map, I can left click and I can move that map around so that I can get it where I want it. And in this situation, we're going to zoom back over to the Oklahoma City area. I'm going to hit the plus button a few more times and get down, and then I'm going to reposition this by using that left mouse button again. We do have a gust front that is out ahead of the main body of the storm that actually has the rain, and not only heavy rain, it may have some light hail in it as well in this storm. The blue lines are the main highways that are going through Oklahoma City, and then the gray lines are the county lines. We have a choice of 1, 2, and 3 hour animations, and we have a timestamp that shows both time and date stamp for each of the radar screens. We can animate that through a whole hour and see how that timestamp changes. So I'm going to go up to my play button that is in the middle of my arrows, click on that, and that will move that through the 1 hour animation that I have selected. And we can see how that timestamp changes as that animation plays through. On the left, we have a slider key. We can move that to the left to slow down the animation. We can move that to the right to again get that faster animation mode that we had earlier. I'm going to move this back to the middle. Then we have the ability to pause our animation, which I'm going to do. And with our arrow controls, we can go to the far left arrow and click on that, and that presents the earliest view of the animation that we have selected, and that our timestamp shows that. We can then go to the right arrow if we want to select the most current view, and our timestamp shows that. If we want to go back one frame at a time, we would go to our back arrow, and that's kind of in the middle, and we would click on that one frame at a time, would go back, and our timestamp would show that. If we want to advance the frames one at a time, we would go to our small advance play button, and we could click on that, and one frame at a time would advance for us. So that is the new radar for the Mesonet.org website. I'm going to zoom this back out. We thank you for watching this video. I'm Al Sutherland, and if you'd like more information on the Oklahoma Mesonet or other weather, please check out our other Mesonet videos.